Neil here at Tool Stop TV, and here I've got the Makita BHR261. It's a 36 volt rotary hammer SDS Plus. It's the first machine in the 36 volt range. I'm going to attach a bit to it here, SDS Plus bit. This is going to do up to 26 millimeters in concrete. This has got more energy than some of the corded machines at 3 joules. So that's the drill bit in. Now just to slide the battery in, just like so, and we're ready to go. I'm going to get Ray from Makita to show us just how this works.
As we go up the handle, we have soft grip, forward and reverse, anti-vibration handle. The whole handle pushes inside the machines, stops the vibration getting back to the operator's hand. Marathon motor. 3 functions on this machine. We have hammer only, with a neutral position so you can rotate the steel to any position you require rather than turning the machine round, rotary hammer and rotary only. This machine produces 3 joules of energy, so it's as powerful, if not more powerful, than 2 kilo corded machines. 9 times out of 10 you're working in your own light, shadow, so this actually has a light on here to illuminate where we're actually going to drill work.